Hinulma raw siya ng isang llanera. Patingin nga. Here's contestant number 3.
There's no rest in peace. And no peace in the Undertaker's mortuary.
Galing ni Pepe Herrera, oh.
Through the years, there have been many dragons who try to lay siege to my kingdom. And one by one, they're all suffer the same fates. Don't say a word, and never mind that which you heard. It's just a piece under your bed. In your closet, in your head, it's in life. Enter night. Wait on him. It's in life. Enter night. Take my hand. Run to never let.
Palaban natin si contestant number 3, ang Charles Pallier, ang Undertaker ng Parañaque.
Grabe, ang dami niyong fans, ha?
Grabe, sikat yan eh. Sikat na wrestler yan si
Oy,
Undertaker.
galit. Ayaw
Eh,
mo.
Undertaker.
Nakakatakot. Nawawala yung itim ng mata. Uy,
Oy! Grabe, sakit sa ulo niya.
Gutom ka ba?
Ginawa ko yung sakit ang ulo ko.
Uy, Undertaker, kinakamusta ka ng kapatid mo?
Sino ba yung kapatid niya?
Si Care.
Caretaker.
Sa mga beach house.
Si Paul Bearer yan.
Ha?
Hindi pa ikaw si Paul Bearer.
Oo, yung mali.
Grabe ka, Jukes!
Grabe si Jukes.
Sorry ka rito, Jukes.
I love you, Kuya. Okay, I love you.
Ako, i-google naman lang, people.
Grabe, nakayayat lang siya ngayon.
Oh, nag-diet.
Nag-tired
What's your
kasi.
secret? What is your secret? Dieting. Diet.
Just
Nagiginig pa siya.
Ha?
Broken ano?
broken heart. Just
Broken
Broken heart.
Ang
Oh.
ganda ng voice niya.
Kaya pala siya naka-all black, broken.
and also cause of anxiety.
Oh, gossip.
English pala to. Ikaw na kumausap.
Kaya nga tinabi kita dyan para usapin mo.
Uy, pero siya lang ang kaloka like na ang fans niya si Spider-Man. Support!
Sandali. Tropa mo ba yan? Tropa mo?
Spider mo, nakashoot.
Di ba si Gagamboy yan? Nakashoot.
Tropa, kamusta na
dyan?
Ha?
Tropa, kamusta?
Wala, tropa.
Nagdala ka pa pala.
Marami ka man dalang sapot ngayon.
Mahirap eh.
Mahirap.
May outing siya, nakagagal siya, mag-swimming siya.
Hindi yan gagal.
Hindi nagagal siya.
Anyway, Undertaker, the Madlang people wants to know
Nanginginig.
what's your full name? Do you know your full name?
Mark Calloway.
What?
Mark
Mark Calloway.
What happened to your voice? Under renovation?
He's a rocker.
I can go in.
Alam mo si Pepe Herrera. Para si Pepe Herrera.
Ganyan siya lagi magsalita.
Actually, pwede nga bumalik na
May
Pepe.
character talaga siya.
So, who's your next opponent?
My next opponent. It depends, but I want to face Sting. Sting.
Sting.
Let's face
Oh,
one on
yeah,
one
the energy drink?
at
Sting?
WrestleMania.
Si Sting. Sting daw. Baka yung bandang Sting.
Can you say, what's up, Madlang people? Can you say
Can
that?
you say what's up with that?
What's up, Madlang people.
Ang hirap, no?
What's up, madlang people?
At nakakahilo
Ba't
na.
tumitirik yung mata?
We want to see your skills in wrestling.
Oh, wrestling. Sample.
We want to fight you with the...
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Wag!
Me again.
So, PM President.
Are you
Get ready with your cell phones.
Undertaker versus Augie the Giant!
Ooh, Ogie the Giant. Okay, let's do it, bro. Oh.
Let's go!
Grabe! Oy! Mabubuhay yan, mabubuhay yan.
Ikaw po, ikaw!
Ay, nabuhay yan, lagot ka. Sandali, sandali!
Ano?
Kita yung hulugan ng alkansya! Nakita ko hulugan ng alkansya!
Guys, amoy Undertaker siya.
Kala ko underwear. Grabe. Ayun, tumirik na naman yung mata. Oo nga, pwede kang Pepe Herrera, oh.
Si Junie Gamboa yan. Thank you, Undertaker. I loved it. Thank you for the... Oh, yeah. Oh, it's scary.
Yeah, give it up for Charles Pallier, Undertaker, Paranaque.
Alamin natin ang atang na badla kay contestant number 3 mula kina Ryan at Tetay.
Yes.
Ryan, alamin na natin ang pulso ng bayan. Alamin natin kung kaloka or kaloka like ni Ronnie Diaz. Yes! Kaya naman, madalang people! Kaloka or kaloka like! Wow! Kaloka like! Wow, pero may isang kaloka! Oh, wow! Hi, excuse me, sir. Good afternoon. May foreigner. Hi there. What's your name, sir?
Tradale.
Tradale. Tradale. Oh my God, why don't you talk to me? Where are you from?
Where are you from? Sir?
USA!
From USA. Where exactly in USA? Because I was there
Tennessee.
yesterday. Tennessee.
Yes.
Oh my God, that's so dope. Are you here for vacation?
Yes.
Tradale, is it your first time in the Philippines?
It is.
And who are you with?
My father.
Your father. Hello there, father. Where's your mother, brother, sister? How do you brush your teeth? So, is it your first time coming here? Yes.
Yes.
Until when is your vacation?
April.
April. Oh, that's quite a long time. You have a business here in the Philippines?
Nope.
Can I see your documents? This is the immigration. Tradle, I saw you flip the card and it says here Kaloka.
Oh.
You know what this means, Kaloka?
Yes.
Oh, what does this mean? Oh, what the? Yeah, what?
That it doesn't.
It doesn't look. Does he look like Undertaker? He looks like Undertaker.
I thought everything was great except bigger chest.
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
A bigger chest. Oh, you like
Chin-chin
bigger
na
chest.
lang.
Yeah. So, good luck to you. Ryan, why don't you talk to him?
Who's your kaloka? Do you have any kaloka like in USA?
Johnny Depp.
Wow,
Captain
Johnny
Jack
Depp.
Sparrow.
Johnny Depp. But you know what? You look like my favorite potato chips in the
Pringles.
Thank you very much, Tradale. Welcome to Philippines.
Sir! Sir!
Oh, sir.
Drink moderately, okay?
Why is all the rum gone?
Salamat sa'yo.
Welcome to
Salamat po.
Ay,
Philippines.
marunong siya mag-Tagalog. Salamat
Marunong.
po.
Do you know how to speak Tagalog?
Hindi po.
Hindi po.
Alam mo, parang charot-charot ng time eh.
So, meron siyang movie.
Oh, what?
Anong movie?
Toy Story.
Good luck to you, Tradle. Now, back to you guys.
Thank you. Wow, pang international ang ating madlang
Yes.
people.
Diba?
Ngayon, mapakinggan na natin ang komento ni Gerardo Gladys Reyes.
What's up, makinis na madlang people? Yes! Si Charles, ayan. Nako, si Charles talaga natakot ako paglabas pa lang. Sabi ko kay Peachy, nakaganyan yung mukha ko. Nakakatakot. Si Christoph talaga ang fan ng WWE.
Yes.
As a matter of fact, meron siyang mga collections ng figures, ng wrestling. At si Undertaker, isa doon. Nakita ko, kaya nung nakita ko siya, ay, anong balik sa akin? Oo nga. Ano? Kaya naman para sa akin, Abe.
Yes,
para
Abe.
sa akin, si Charles ay waka-waka.
Ano yun? Waka-waka. Sayaw yun ah.
Waka-waka.
Contrary to Mr. Pringle, sa akin, waka-waka. Kasi,
What is waka-waka?
walang kaduda-duda, waging kaloka-like. Congratulations.
Ayan o, ayan o, ayan o. Ayan o.
Ayan na, ayan na! Ayan na, ayan na!
Grabe.
Ayan, parang napanood ko yan.
Napanood?
Saan?
Saan mo napanood?
Pinapanood akong ganyan.
Saan?
Pelikula ba?
Para exorcist ata, exorcist.
Hi, Sarina!
May sinabi ka pa kanina.
Hi, Sarina!
Maraming salamat, Hurado Claris! Mga Hurado, maaari nyo nang ibigay ang inyong hatol kay Charles Fowler, ang Undertaker ng Paranaque.